Today, we set out on a little adventure in Gatundu. The plan was simple: hike, explore, and chase waterfalls. I went with my sister just like we did in 2023, and trust me, the walk was long, but every step was worth it. The trail felt endless at times, winding through thick greenery, fresh air, and the calm sounds of nature. The further we went, the more peaceful it felt, even though my legs disagree. But to keep the energy up, we danced, sang, joked, and chatted along the way. Anything to keep the journey lighter and more fun. Yep, that's me singing. Huku na huku kama mawimbi, upendo wa Yesu wanizunguka. After a while, we finally reached a point where we had to turn and join a small road. The road felt like a sign, proof that we were finally on the right path, yeah? And that's my sister singing, "The Lord has done it finally," because, we were finally on the right track.
The Lord has done it finally, finally, finally. The Lord has done it all. Finally, finally. I said
the waterfall was still a distance away, hidden from the sight, but at the moment we knew we were getting closer. And luckily, on this day, the sun was out and the weather was just right, which made the road bearable. Unlike back in 2023, when it rained so much, the path was muddy, slippery, and honestly not pleasant at all. That day we got rained on endlessly, but this time the dry road made everything so much easier and enjoyable. Another thing we were worried about was the bridge. Back in 2023, there was no proper bridge, just an old wooden one, rotted and very unstable. Crossing it was honestly scary, but to our surprise, this time round, a brand new, strong bridge had been built. Crossing it was so easy, comfortable, without any fear. It felt like such a relief.
Unakufa nini? Unadai. Teremkia hapa. Si ndio hii? Ukweli? Tunaenda huko the Mukero Shogi. Tutafute njia. Wewe uko na mbuti. Jesus. Oui. There is hope. Ai, hapa kuna barabara ya damu. Hapa. Hey. Kwa Waterfall. Ito ba kayo na what? Waterfall.
And then finally, the reward, a breathtaking waterfall hidden deep in the hills of Gatundu. The water crashed down with so much power, yet the place felt so calm. It was like nature reminding us to slow down, breathe, and just be present. We stayed for a while, just taking it all in as we enjoyed some snacks my mother had packed for us. The cool mist, the green all around, the sound of water. It was absolutely magical and a perfect escape from the noise of everyday life. After a few hours, it was finally time to head home. On our way back, the fatigue really hit us. Climbing uphill, we walked in complete silence, each of us preserving the little energy we had left. At one point, we stopped to enjoy some of the snacks our mother had packed. We hadn't finished them earlier, and that small break gave us just enough strength for the final stretch. The hike was long, but the memories will last even longer. Sometimes the best days are just the simplest ones. Just you, nature, and a little adventure.